I am Sirisha. I am pursuing graduation final year at TSWRD Swanapati. Today I am going to talk about a wonderful topic, and that is Corona Warriors. And before start my talk, I would like to give a few guidelines about COVID-19. Yeah, as the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our viewers not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these three simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, and focus on hand hygiene. So everyone should follow these precautions to protect your lives, okay? And let's come to the topic. Do you know who are coronavirus? Okay, I'll tell you. Those who serve people selflessly in difficult times are called coronavirus. Okay, and of course, the entire world facing an epidemic like coronavirus. The World Health Organization has declared that coronavirus is an epidemic. Coronavirus is also known as a COVID-19. Coronavirus infection spreading rapidly worldwide. Millions of people have lost their lives due to this corona infection, and thousands of people are still dying every day. But so far, no country has succeeded in making medicine to prevent an epidemic like coronavirus. The Department of Health believes that care and awareness can prevent an epidemic like corona infection. And today, the real hero of the entire world is the corona warriors, who is protecting people from being corona infected. And the doctors, police, cleaners around the world, including India are putting themselves at risk to prevent the spread of COVID corona infection and treat corona infected people as soon as possible. And the corona warriors are working day and night to eradicate the epidemic. Corona warriors who are unable to go to their homes even after the work is over, and are serving to the people and treating them and delivering food to the poor. And of course, the corona warriors have sacrificed their lives while performing their duties. Really, we should honor all those corona warriors who are who are serving people by risking their lives in this time of crisis. So every citizen of the country greets them with heartfelt gratitude, okay? And of course, we can't express our gratitude with a simple word, say thanks. So what we can do? Yeah, we can do by following all the COVID-19 precautions. I think this is the best way to express our gratitude towards corona warriors. So let's start. So please protect yourself, and please save every life. I mean, by following these precautions of COVID-19. And thank you so much, corona warriors. You are the real heroes forever. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I'm so happy for that.